Assalamualaikum. Today we will discuss about hierarchy analysis of the BP Texas City Refinery Explosion 2005. The introduction: workplace safety is a critical component of industrial operation, particularly in high-risk sectors like oil and gas. One of the primary tools for ensuring safety is hazard identification, risk assessment, and risk control. This structured approach allows organizations to recognize potential hazards, assess their associated risks, and implement appropriate controls. The objective of this report is to apply the hierarchy methodology to a real-life incident, the BP Texas City Refinery explosion. This analysis highlights the importance of proactive risk management in preventing catastrophic events. So for the incident description, the incident is at BP Texas City Refinery explosion. The date, 23 March 2005. The location is Texas City, US. Industry: oil and gas refining. Company: British Petroleum (BP). The BP Texas City Refinery explosion occurred during the startup of an isomerization unit used to boost the octane levels of gasoline. A key piece of equipment, blow-down drum and stack, was overfilled with flammable hydrocarbon. Due to poor process control and human error, the flammable liquid and vapor were released into the atmosphere, forming a vapor cloud. This vapor cloud found an ignition source and exploded, causing a massive blast that killed 50 workers and injured more than 180 others. The force of the explosion damaged nearby trailer and infrastructure. Investigation revealed multiple safety failures, including inadequate training, poor management oversight, and the use of outdated equipment.
Finding and recommendations. Key findings: the blow-down drum and vent stack used were outdated and unsafe flammable gases. Startup producers lacked proper controls and supervisions. Operators were not adequately trained for critical startup operations. Safety alarms and control systems were insufficient. Past warning and safety audits were ignored by management. For the recommendations: upgrade equipment, replace open vent system with closed flare system to safely handle flammable gas release. Enhance training, implement structured and certified training programs for operators, especially for high-risk tasks. Lastly, improve procedures, establish clear written standard operation procedures or SOPs with mandatory safety checklists.
Okay, for the conclusion, the BP Texas City Refinery explosion is a tragic example of what can go wrong when the hazards are not properly identified and controlled. The hierarchy analysis reveals that most of the contributing factors were preventable with proper engineering, administrative controls, and safety oversight. Okay, this incident underscores the critical importance of hierarchy as a tool for proactive risk management. Organization must take HIREC seriously, not just as compliance requirements, but as a core uh, part of operational excellence. By identifying hazard early and acting decisively, future incidents can be prevented. Life can be saved and workplace can become safer for everyone. Okay, next for the reference, we take from US Chemical Safety and Hazard Investigation Board, is a CSB, from in 2007. Investigation report is BP Texas Chicken Refinery Explosion, report number 200504 thanks. And then from BP Internal Investigation Report in 2005, and then from Occupational Safety and Health Administration, is it OSHA, in 2005. The inspection report is BP report, not American INC. And then is from Reason J in 1097. Is it managing the risk of organizational accident, H-Gate Publishing. And the last one is Health and Safety Executive, is mean HSE. There are hazard identification risk and risk assessment guidance. Okay, that's all from us. Thank you for watching. Bye.